There, you happy? Back to work. What I'm looking for. These. You go that way. It's gonna be tight, but I think it'll work. Ooh, just barely. I think they're both down there. So if it's there, and I want the screw to be here, I want the top to be here. Oh. Let's do it better. into that. So we need to cut 2 slots in here, 1 mortise in that. One side, 2 side. Start with it here. Same thing from the other side. Come on. Over a little more. There we go. Just not moving. Flat, flat, and not flat. We have a hump to get rid of. Let's see how close we are. Okay, now we're splitting out. Oh, that's better. That's really close. That's happy. So, take it apart, glue it up, squeeze the snot out of it. Booyah! Make sure you get it all over your fingers. Ta-da! Around 4 inches-ish. Come in and go 4 inches-ish. So, close to the line. Not too bad. Ta-da! Ta-da! There we go. So these then go on top and bottom of the bar, as you can see. Like, oh, oops! I cut them out of the wrong stock. They're like a ½ inch too wide. Well, let's fix that. No problem. I fix it. I fix it. It's okay. I fix it. Hey, look! It's smaller now. Let's see. And this needs to be a fairly specific angle, which is something around there. Point to point, the center to center. These holes are, so center to center, the holes are 4.365. So I need 1 and 2. This is officially boring. U through there into U. Let's see how close that angle is. It's a little bit more steep than I'd like, but I still got to put some sandpaper in there. That's fine, we'll blow. Well, that's not coming off now. This is a dance. A dance we like to call a tap dance. Go on. Go on. Bar. Let's try it the right way, not the wrong way, and see what happens there. Okay. Time for bowl and sit all.
It's like a sweet tea.
Tea. That's a lot more pressure than you need for tight bond. Almost 300. Let's see if I can get it over 300. And one of the new shop made ones, a bigger handle. Look at that. So there you have it. We have a clamp, and this is actually from a design that I found at MWTCA. A friend of mine brought to me this vise, and it is just an old, simple design that works really, really well. And he has actually made several others that have other bells and whistles and things to make them a little bit better, and functions to turn them into a parallel clamp, and just really, really cool designs. Now, if you'd like to see this and see a lot more information, I have a whole second channel called Wood by Wright How To. And on that channel, we actually go into the how-to of building, where I talk through the design, what I'm thinking, why I'm doing it that way, and actually go through this whole thing step by step. So if you want to see more information on that, as well as a closer look at these, head on over to the second channel, and we'll be doing all that. This channel is more or less for the average YouTuber who doesn't want to know how to make something, they just want to watch something. And so for those of you, that's what this channel is for. The other channel is for people who want to learn. So I hope you like this. If you do have any other thoughts, ideas, things that we could do to make these even better, let me know that down in the comments down below. I'd love to read those. Also, I want to say a huge thank you to all the patrons who are scrolling over here on the side. They are the ones, quite literally, keeping the lights on in the shop. Also, I want to say thank you to people who click the little join button and hit the like, comment, share, subscribe. Without all of you supporting this channel, we wouldn't be here. We are supported completely by you, the viewers. So I hope you like that. If you do, let me know in the comments down below, and that'll do it for now. Until next time, have a wonderful day. Yeah, this video was a very pressing subject. I guess you could say I'm kind of depressed.